Hello students, in this lesson we will discuss the questions asked on the lesson JRD Tata asked in MSBT exams. First question was asked, name the scientists and lawyers who flourished under the leadership of JRD Tata. This question was asked in summer 2019 exam. Its answer is the scientists of international repute such as Homi Bhabha and leading lawyers such as J.D. Choksi and Nani Palkhiwala flourished under JRD Tata's environment. It is very important question. Second question was asked in winter 2018 exam for 2 marks. State the views of JRD Tata about a leader. Its answer is, according to JRD Tata, leadership meant motivating others. So leaders should motivate others. To be a leader, one has to get to lead human beings with affection. The leader should identify talent easily, and once he or she is confident that a manager would perform, he or she should give the manager a long hope. Next question. Summarize the contribution of JRD Tata as a philanthropist. Ask for 4 marks in winter 2018 exam. Its answer is, JRD Tata was a philanthropist who wanted India to be a happy country and did all he could to make it so. He was also a man of a great sensitivity and was pained by the poverty he saw around him and wanted strongly to elevate it. He was a patron of the science and the arts. Patron of the arts, JRD was revered by India's artists, sculptors and performing artists under JRD's tutelage. The Tatas became the biggest buyers, promoters and supporters of the art world in India. As a philanthropist, JRD Tata built up the tremendously active Tata Charitable Trust and kept it alive. Entrepreneurs like Sir Homi Modi, Sir Ardeshir Dalal, Sir Jahangir Gandhi, Rusi Modi, Suman Malgunkar and Darbari Seth, etc. were developed under JRD Tata's supportive climate. Scientists of international repute such as Homi Bhabha, leading lawyers such as J.D. Choksi and Nani Palkhiwala, and economists such as John Mathai, Eddie Shroff, D.R. Pensey and Freddie Mehta could flourish under JRD Tata's guidance. This answer is expected for 4 marks. Next question is, state any 4 diversified areas in which the Tata Group entered in the last half of the 20th century. Its answer is, Tata Group entered in several businesses from airlines to hotels, then trucks to locomotives, soda ash and other heavy chemicals to pharmaceuticals and financial services, and their conditioning to lipsticks and cologne in the last half of the 20th century. This was asked in summer 2018 exam. Next question was asked also in summer 2018 exam. Elaborate the statement, the Tata Group is India's biggest business empire. The Tata Group is India's biggest business empire. The Tata Group's global footprint spans more than 100 countries in 6 continents. Founded by Jamshedji Tata in 1868, the Tata Group is a global enterprise headquartered in India, comprising over 100 independent operating companies. In 2016-17, the revenue of Tata companies was $100.39 billion. These companies collectively employ over 6,95,000 people. With its pioneering and entrepreneurial spirit, the Tata Group has several industries of national importance in India: steel, hydro power, hospitality, and airline. Tata's business empire include TCS, India's first software company; Tata Motors, which made India's first indigenously developed car; the Tata Indica, and the Tata Nano; Tata Steel Europe, etc. Tata had several new businesses, from airlines to hotels, trucks to locomotives, soda ash and other heavy chemicals to pharmaceuticals and financial services, tea and air conditioning to lipsticks and clothing. State the names of the entrepreneurs developed under the guidance of J.R.D. Tata. Next question was asked in winter 2017 exam. Its answer is, the entrepreneur developed under the guidance of J.R.D. Tata are Sir Homi Modi, Sir Ardeshir Dalal, Sir Jahangir Gandhi, Rishi Modi, Suman Malgunkar and Darbari Seth. Next question also important. Number first, state the significance of the year 2000 for the Tata Group. Its answer is, the year 2004 was significant for the Tata Group as it marks 100th birth anniversary of J.R.D. Tata and Naval Tata and the death centenary of Jamshedji Tata. Next question, name the entrepreneurs developed under the guidance of Tata. Sir Homi Modi, Sir Ardeshir Dalal, Sir Jahangir Gandhi, Rishi Modi, Suman Malgunkar and Darbari Seth were developed under J.R.D. Tata's supportive climate. Next question, state any 2 points of J.R.D. Tata's personality that impressed you most. Number first, confidence. A successful person does the thing confidently. He was confident that he succeeded in his business. Next, disciplined. He was always disciplined. He managed the things in a systematic way. Number third, passion. He worked passionately. Next question, name the scientists, lawyers and economists who flourished under the leadership of J.R.D. Tata. Scientist Homi Bhabha, lawyers J.D. Choksi and Nani Palkhiwala, economist John Mathai, A.D. Pentse and Freddie Mehta. Explain the concept of leadership according to J.R.D. Tata. It is said that if you give respect, you will earn respect. Leader always gives respect, therefore he earns respect. A good leader creates good and energetic atmosphere whenever necessary. He becomes a doer also. He becomes active and solves workers' problems. He treats worker with respect, therefore the workers always respect him. Next question, state the diversified areas in which the Tata Group entered in the last half of the 20th century. The Tata Group entered in several businesses like from airlines to hotels, trucks to locomotives, soda ash and other heavy chemicals to pharmaceuticals and financial services, tea and air conditioning to lipsticks and cologne in the last half of the 20th century. Summarize the contribution of J.R.D. Tata as a philanthropist. This question also we discussed. Describe the role of J.R.D. Tata as a leader and motivator. Its answer is J.R.D. Tata was a good leader and motivator. J.R.D. Tata motivated others. As a leader, he led human beings with affection. He spotted talent easily, and once he was confident that a manager would perform, he gave him a long hope if they wanted to be on their own, like Suman Malvankar he left them to do. He also motivated others under his guidance, and some entrepreneurs, scientists, lawyers and economists are also flourished. Tata's personal interest in technology spurred several group companies like Tata Steel and Tata Chemicals. Next questions. Which is leadership according to Tata? According to Tata, leadership meant motivating others. What is the full name of J.R.D. Tata? The full name of J.R.D. Tata is Jahangir Ratanjit Dadabhai Tata. Okay, today we discussed here the questions asked in MSBT exam on the lesson J.R.D. Tata. We will stop here and we'll start the next lesson in the next session. Thank you very much.